This is the Kenwood TK-3701D. No screen, no keypad, one knob, one big button, and both analog and digital channels in the same radio. In the next few minutes you'll know every control, how the three zones work, and what the light is telling you. Start at the top. Two knobs, the left one is the selector, which you rotate to change channel. The right one is power and volume together, clockwise to switch on, keep turning for volume. Between them sits the LED indicator, which does the talking on a radio with no screen. And the antenna is fixed. Down the left side, three controls. The big one is the PTT switch, push to talk. Below it, side 1, press and hold it for 1 second to change zone. And side 2, which by default opens the squelch momentarily, so you can hear everything on the channel, including the noise. On the front, the speaker sits behind the grille with the microphone below it, marked MIC. Power is the right-hand knob. Turn it clockwise and the radio switches on with a single beep. The same knob sets the volume, clockwise louder, anti-clockwise quieter, and turning it fully anti-clockwise until it clicks switches the radio off. One tip straight from the manual: if you're setting the volume somewhere noisy, press the side 2 button while you adjust. It opens the squelch so you can actually hear the channel. The TK-3701D carries 48 channels, arranged as 16 in each of 3 zones. Zone 1 is analog, and zones 2 and 3 are digital. Rotating the selector moves you through the 16 channels of whichever zone you're in. The golden rule: everyone in your group needs the same zone and the same channel. And if the defaults don't suit, every channel can be reprogrammed on the radio itself in self-programming mode, no computer needed. Changing zone with no screen is one gesture: press and hold side 1 for 1 second, and the radio steps zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, confirming with tones. Most teams keep it simple, one zone per site or per team, agreed in advance, and nobody touches it again. Talking is one switch. Press and hold the PTT, speak in your normal voice with the microphone 3 to 4 centimeters from your mouth, and release to receive. That's genuinely all there is to it. Now the light. Solid red means you're transmitting, and solid green means you're receiving a call. Blinking red is the low battery warning, and it comes with an alert tone every 30 seconds. Blinking green means the radio is scanning. A solid yellow light means it's in a setup mode, like self-programming. And if the light blinks blue and yellow, the channel you've selected hasn't been programmed and can't be used. Just turn the selector to one that has. Finally, the battery. On the standard KNB45L pack you'll get up to 18 hours analog or 16 digital with battery save on. That's on the manual's 5590 duty cycle, so real days vary with use. The charger has its own light: solid red means charging, flashing green means complete. Blinking red means a defective pack or dirty contacts, so take it out and reseat it. And flashing green and orange means the pack is too hot or too cold to start charging, give it 20 minutes at room temperature. That's the TK-3701D. One knob for power, one for channels, one button to talk, and 3 zones when you need them. If you need a fleet programming, or you're choosing between analog and digital, that's exactly what we do.